Hello, everyone. Welcome to another practice with me. Today, we are here in the middle of nature in the Croix de Garde Cannes in South France. So, let's start in our hands and knees position. Let's do some cat cows. Inhale, look up, and exhale, arch your back. Look into your belly. Inhale, look up. And exhale, arch. A couple of more. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look into your belly. One more. Inhale, look up. Exhale, out. Now let's come into child's pose just for a moment to connect your breath, to connect in this state of presence. Take a deep breath in and out. Relax your body before we start moving. On your next inhale, come up, touch your toes, and let's come into plank. And let's start our first exercise. So, inhale here, exhale, come into downward face dog. Hold for a moment, and exhale, come back to plank. Let's move it. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale, and exhale. So, on your inhale, you come into downward facing dog, and exhale, you come back to plank. Strong core, strong abs. Let's work it out. Keep moving, keep going. A little more. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now let's come back to our hands in this position and let's do some push-ups. So we're gonna do 10 for 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Come back to child's pose. Breathe it out. Extend your arms in front. Relax your body. Because on your next inhale, we come up and we're gonna extend our right leg up and your left arm. So opposite leg and opposite arm. Extend and hold. Try to be still, try not to move, because we're gonna start to touch the floor and lift for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now hold, inhale, and exhale, knee to your elbow. Inhale and exhale for 8, for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Touch your hands, touch your knee, come to child's pose. Forehead to the floor. You can move a little bit side to side, preparing to our next exercise. So, on your next inhale, come back to our fourth position on your hands and knees, and let's work to the other side now. So extend your left leg and your right arm. Stay still for a moment, hold. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out, and let's do the tap and lift. So tap and lift for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now hold, inhale, exhale, elbow to knee for 9, for 8, inhale, exhale, 7, for 6, 5, 4, 3, for 2, for 1. Extend everything. Touch your hand, touch your knee, come back to child's pose. Tuffy just came into my mat right now. I present Tuffy. This is my little tiny dog. And let's keep moving. So on your next inhale, we come back to our fourth position. We have 2 more exercises. So we touch your toes and let's just lift your knees a few inches from the floor. So we just hold in here. Hold this position. Strong core, strong arms, strong glutes, legs. Try not to laugh while Tuffy try to kiss me. Let's concentrate. Keep going, keep going. And exhale, touch your knees, sit on your heels, and let's do the last exercise. So we come back to our fourth position, we come back to our bear, and we just going to step out, step in, step out, step in for 8, for 7, for 6, for 5, for 4, for 3, for 2, and 1. Exhale, lift your hips, come into downward facing dog. And let's do some spine rolls. So you inhale, come to your plank, exhale, back to downward facing dog. This is like a wave, like ocean. So we just work in our flexibility of our spine. This feels very nice after this practice, so keep going at your time, take your pace, do it slowly, conscious. Last one, come back to the plank, hold for a little bit, breathe, inhale, exhale, chaturanga, inhale, upward facing dog, hold. Now we look to our right shoulder, breathe, come back to center, look to the other one, breathe, Come back to center. Lift your hips, come to downward facing dog. Breathe in, breathe out. Walk to the front of your mat because we are finished. So slowly lift your body up, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time.